Welcome guys, so today I'm with REALME Narzo 50 and I'm gonna show you a few camera tricks. So at the first I'm gonna show you how to get more details on your photos. So the first thing, I'm gonna take a photo with the normal mode, and right now we are going to use 50 megapixel mode. Same angle, same lighting condition. Let's take a look on the difference. So that's the photo taken with the normal mode. We can focus, for example, on this old cell phone keyboard. It looks like that, not bad, we can spot some details. But let's take a look how it looks in this 50 megapixel mode. As you can see right here, we can find definitely more details. We can also zoom in closer. So that's useful to get this mode and to use it in some cases. Right now I'm going to show you how you can take the photos. You can make it in 4 different ways. The first one by using the shutter, another one by using the volume buttons, so we can click volume up or volume down. Another one will be in the settings, so we have to open the settings, we have to go for the shutting methods, and there is 2 additional options. There is tap to capture and show palm of the hand. So right now when you click on the screen, we will take photo. And the last one is about the selfie camera. So when you switch to the selfie camera and then show the palm of your hand, the photo will be also taken. Right now take a look how we can use the zoom feature. So we can go for the 1x, 2x and 5x. But you can also click and hold on already selected preset, and you will be able to zoom in to the 10 times. And that's, by the way, the quality of the 10 times zoom in this smartphone. You can also go for the settings and change the volume button function. As you can see, it's right here. We can switch for the zoom and take a look how it works right now. You can zoom in and zoom out with volume up and volume down buttons. Okay, and here when we click, we can quickly change color and the temperature on the photos. As you can see, there is a lot of different filters. Okay, and I think that right now we can go for these more modes where we can find, for example, the dual video mode. So as you can see right now, when we open this mode, we are able to take videos with this front selfie camera and the rear camera at the same time. We can also change the view by tapping right here. We can go for the round or like this one, so we can decide. And that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.